Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we'll be making some awesome California rolls. So let's get started with that. California rolls are super easy as long as you have your sushi rice ready. I'll show you how we're going to do that. A beautiful half sheet here of the seaweed sushi. Okay. Now, always make sure you have a bowl of water right here. It helps for the sushi rice to stick to your fingers less. Little trick. This is like my 4th time ever really making sushi at home, so I'm getting better. Always the practice makes perfect thing, right? Definitely not a sushi master yet. Maybe one day. I don't know. Yeah, I have this thing for when I used to cook, when I used to go to some of the high-end Japanese restaurants, he used to always sit right at the sushi bar. You can get a really good close eye on what the chef is doing when he's making the sushi. So I learned a lot of technique there as well. You just watch a sushi chef for a while. You can pick up a lot of tips. So I got some imitation crab. So I got the I guess it'd be more like an imitation lobster style. So we're gonna use that for a roll. Yeah, so we can cut this one. Chop. All right. Looking good. Okay. So we need some cucumber. Toss some cucumber in there. Like so. Some avocado. Thinly sliced avocado. Toss that in there. Beautiful. Now are some sesame seeds. You can put the sesame seeds on the bottom. I tend to forget that part, but they're sesame seeds, so you can see it's all good. You know what I did again? Okay, we can fix this. All right, move this over here, and we're gonna put our sesame seeds on the bottom, like so, like you're supposed to do. Now we're gonna take this guy and we're gonna flip him over. Okay, now put all this back inside our roll, our cucumber and the avocado. So some Japanese mayo. Okay, and we're gonna put some crispy onions in there. Okay, just to give them a little bit of a crunch. Okay, now we're gonna roll the California roll up. So, it's all rolled up, and now we can cut them. Okay. Cutting board ready. Take your roll, put them on the cutting board. And for this part, you always want to make sure your knife is sharp. I actually don't have a sushi knife, I just have my chef knife, but it works for sushi if it's sharp. Alright, so let's slice them up. Beautiful roll. Right. Oh, looking good. I'm getting better at this sushi thing, alright. And you can also shape them a bit more if you wanted to after you cut them. Okay. What happened with that one? But we got a piece of California roll. Okay, always work on a clean surface, is always good. Hey, maybe I can find some Japanese music to play, that'd be cool. While you're making sushi. Have a plate and roll of sushi. Plate, so. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Alright. Someone's getting better at making sushi. Wow. That's an impressive roll. Right on. Some ginger. Some pickled ginger on there. Fiery wasabi right here. Okay, boom. Guess we should give our California rolls a try. Soy sauce, of course. Beaumont's California roll try. Alright. You definitely get the crunch from the nice California roll because this adds a different dimension to have the crunchy onion. You get, of course, a bit of the fire from the ginger and everything. It just totally works. Your traditional California roll. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love you. See you next time.